Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, let me show you the way that you fix the Snapchat login verification problem. If you're not being able to verify yourself by receiving the verification code for Snapchat, the first thing that you can do in this case is try to switch the method that you receive the code. So for example, if you've been receiving the code on your phone, you can try switching it out and try to receive the code via your email address. So by doing this, you should be able to get the code on your email and try to verify your account. If this solution does not work for you, the second thing that you can do is look for any new updates available. So this sort of issue sometimes also happens due to some bugs. So once you update the application, you should be good to go. So open up the Play Store or the App Store, search for Snapchat, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. Once this step is complete, try to see if your issue is fixed. The other step that you can also try out apart from this is try to clear the app cache of Snapchat. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Now, even after doing all of the steps, you're still not being able to receive the code, then you just need to wait out a few minutes before you try to receive it again, because sometimes there are sometimes there are server issues. So once you wait out a few minutes, you should be able to receive the code again. So that's pretty much all for today's video. I do hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next one.